We added our first message to our messages collection in our database, but we didn't clear the text in our input upon adding it. So to clear that value whenever we add a new message, we'll make our input in our messages form a controlled input. We'll pass down the value from our message property that's being updated to our input component with the value prop. We'll also disable our button upon adding a new message by setting the disabled prop to the loading value. So if loading set to true, it'll disable our button while our message is being added. So we'll destructure loading from state as well. So now when we clear our message property in state upon adding the message, we'll also clear the text that's within the input as well. So now when we add our reply, the text in the input's cleared, our button is disabled for a split second upon adding the reply, and we have another new message within our database.